Hi, did you know that if you have a smartphone without eSIM support, you can still use one or more eSIMs in it? Come with me, let me show you how I did it. Hello, this is Mr. Mobility, and here is a Samsung Galaxy A06. It has two nano SIM slots and no eSIM support. It's a basic, pretty much, next to an entry-level smartphone. But I got myself this Fiber eSIM card. Fiber eSIM card offers a feature that allows you to enjoy eSIM in your non-eSIM smartphone. I gave it a spin and it worked. I was able to use an eSIM on this non-eSIM smartphone. You are able to install and use multiple eSIM profiles on that phone. So what is it? This is all you get in the mail. There's documentation here and there. We can call this an unboxing, right? It doesn't come in a box. It comes in this. So this is an unpouching. Okay, let's get on with it. So here is what you get in the package, right? You have instructions and all that, but this is a SIM card ejector tool, right? And then you have what looks like a regular SIM card pack. You get something like this from your carrier or mobile network anyway, and you can bring it out in regular SIM format, mini SIM, nano SIM. Since my phone uses nano SIM, here you go. So that's the Fiber nano SIM. What do? You take the SIM ejector tool, you push out your SIM slot. I have a regular SIM in there already, and you put in your Fiber SIM. Like I mentioned earlier, this Galaxy A06 is a dual SIM phone. So I now have two SIM cards in there, my regular carrier SIM card and then the Fiber SIM card. So if you look here, you see Fiber SIM card in slot 1 and then my regular SIM card in slot 2. What do we do next? We want to enable mobile data for the Fiber eSIM. So I select Fiber eSIM and there you go. Mobile data on this phone now works through the Fiber eSIM. The next thing you need to do, Fiber has an app. This is the Fiber eSIM app right there. Install it on your phone. All you have to do is go to Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store and type 5BER and install the app from there. And after installing, you need to buy an eSIM plan from one of the travel eSIM providers. There are lots of eSIM providers around the world that you can buy a data plan from. Before you travel, buy one. The interesting thing is that Fiber offers you an interface where you can shop for eSIM card providers. Right. So the setup process is simple. You insert your Fiverr SIM card in here. You download and install the app, sign into your profile. Then you browse to buy and activate your eSIM plan. You can use eSIM plans that you find through the Fiverr app, and you can use eSIM plans that you find elsewhere. It really doesn't matter where you buy the eSIM plan from. And then you download and install your eSIM profile, activate it, turn on mobile data, and lastly, I remember something. When I first tried to use the SIM card, it didn't work. Then it occurred to me to turn on roaming. So I went into the settings of my phone under mobile connections. I found data roaming and I had to enable data roaming. Immediately after I enabled data roaming, the eSIM plan that I purchased began to work. The phone connected to the internet and began to work. Fiverr works, and I think it's a cool idea. Being able to use an eSIM on a non-eSIM phone, cool, highly recommended. Where can you get Fiverr from? I have the links included in the description of this video. Just go click through and make your purchase. Also, if you click those links, I'm an affiliate and I get to earn something. So, hey, be nice. Thank you. Like this video. Follow my channel. I have so much useful stuff to share with you.